Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Bank of America credit card on the app. The first thing I want you to do is just log into the app and then come here to the top left and click on this menu icon. And from here you'll see a bunch of settings. Just scroll down from where you see Bank of America accounts, then tap on manage, debit or credit. And here you'll see the cards you have. I only have one card and you should see an activate button. Okay, so I already activated it, so I don't see that button, but just click on that activate button and just follow the prompts. So the app will guide you through the remaining steps, which typically just involves, verifying your card details and completing a security check. And once the verification is successful, your card will be activated and it will be ready for use. Alternatively, what you can also do is call the number on the back of your card to activate over the phone. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.